The shorter you are in height, you want to avoid long skirts. Long skirts will make you look shorter. And if you love long skirts and you're like, this is my thing, of course, being short is not going to stop you. You just have to be a little bit more in tune with what you pick. So maybe wear a skirt that's higher waist so that it makes your legs look longer and your torso shorter, so that makes you look taller. And if you're tall, well, you're one of the lucky ones. You can wear them short, you can wear them long. It doesn't matter, you've got those legs. So skirts are underrated a lot of the time because we just wear like a lot of pants and jeans and everything, but skirts can be very flattering and also show a very soft and feminine side, as well as a very, sexual and beautiful side to a woman. So I think that more women should be wearing skirts.